Hey guys, Andy here. So I promise you, I do have a really long format video coming about my rust repair project. I have a bunch of clips of that, and I've been playing around with iMovie about how to edit those together to make a proper YouTube. But real quickly, what I've done is I've made this patch panel for the inside of the wheel well. Got this guy all trimmed, holes cut, so yeah, basically got a bunch of clips of how I made this and how I will be mounting this and welding this up. So let's just go ahead and take a quick look inside of there to see how this fits. Okay, so taking a look inside of this wheel well, I'm sure I've mentioned this a number of times, but these have a lap weld here where it's just maybe not sealed right or something. Water gets in there, rots out that seam from the inside. So here is this big panel that I cut out with this really pain in the butt inner body section thing there. So the patch panel, it slides in here like this, and it'll get spot welded there in these holes. So again, I'm just mounting this guy up, and hopefully next day or so I'll have an actual real proper long format video of this guy welded in here and how I made this. Thanks.